Hello student, welcome once again. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start our new poem, The Rebel. This poem is written by DJ and Wright. Student, before starting the poem, let's discuss something about the poem. Student, can you tell what is the rebel? Student, do you have any friend who goes always opposite of what you want? If you want to go outside and play, he want to play inside, or he just prefer to be inside. He always wants to opposite to do. And the man who wants to do opposite things, or the person who always disagree with you and your friend or likes to do the opposites, it is the rebel. If you want to go and play, he just prefer to play indoor games. If you want to do the pajama party, he wish to go for disco party. Like that, every time he opposes and do different things. Okay student, so that is the concept of rebel. So let's study the poem The Rebel. Let's see, do you know anyone who always disagree with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposites of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now read the poem. So students, here you can get an clear idea of what is the rebel. Rebel is the person who disagrees with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite things. It is the rebel. Okay, if you want to talk, then he will refuses and stay calm. If you want to go outside for shopping, he will not go, like that. So every time he opposes, he or she opposes, is the rebel. Okay student, so let's start and read the poem. Look at that lines. When everybody had short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Student, look at that. Is it sound some funny? When everybody had short hair, the rebel let his hair grow long, and when everybody has long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbances. Look at that next line student. When everybody talks, as we are in the classroom, we talk with everybody or we talk with our friends, but at that time the rebel doesn't say a word. And when your teacher is teaching something seriously, the rebel creates disturbance. Okay student, let's see. When everybody wears uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When you wear uniform during your school time, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. And when everybody wears fantastic clothes, right, like a party time, okay, or like a birthday party, the rebel dresses soberly. Okay student, so let's see. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses and preferences for cats. In the company of dog lover, he expresses or he showed love toward the cat. But in the company of cat lover, the rebel put in a good word for dogs. It means he also shows opposite opinions to others, and that is the rebel. Okay student, look at that next line on the next page. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remark on the need for rain. When everybody look out and praise for the sun, wow, what a sunny day it was, then rebel remarks on the need of rain, and rebel remark that it needs to be rain today, like that. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Means everybody was praising the rain, wow, what a rain shower it was, then rebel regrets the absence of sun. He just demands, or he just prays for the sunlight. When everybody goes, look at that next line. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stay at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Here again it showed opposition, and when everybody goes for meeting, rebel stays at home and reads the book. When everybody stays at home and reads the book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Here again it shows opposition for everybody. Okay, let's see. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is the opinion of rebel that when everybody agrees on the issues, rebel said no thank you, but when everybody regrets the issues, rebel said yes please. Like that, he again shows his opposition on various ways, on various issues, by saying opposite opinion. It is very good that we have a rebel. You may not find it very good to be one. Here actually poet writes an important thing. It is very good that we have a rebel, and you may not find it very good to be one. It is very good that we have a rebel, because that rebel think differently, so it would open difficult origin for us. We will understand many things because of him, and therefore here DJ Enright stresses that it is very good to have the rebel, but you may not find it very good to be one. We should not want to be a rebel, because if you are the rebel, you will be criticized. Okay, if you oppose many things all the time, people would take you dislike, or people may hate you, like this. Okay, so students, here in these last two lines, actually poet mention what is the rebel and why do you not to be a rebel. Okay students, here our poem is finished, and we will meet in our next session in question answer, with a question answer. Thank you for hearing.